Follow along so you can learn how to add a digital product to your beacons. You will hit digital product right there, create digital product, click it. All right, and then this is going to pop up. You have to fill in all of these fields. Everything must be green. All the check marks must be green. We're going to start with title. And basically, I'm going to copy and paste from my online store, my existing store. And guys, I'm setting up this online store from one of my customers who just joined Digital Boss Academy. DBA is a master resale rights community that you can resell for 100% profit, even though you're not the one that created it. And also, they teach you multiple ways to make income. If you're interested in joining, just type DBA down in the comments below. Or if you just want some info, I'm happy to give it to you. Okay, now that we got that out the way, let's get back to the video tutorial. So we are, copying and pasting that title, of course, and then we're going to move on to price. You always want to mark your price on sale because it's a marketing tactic to make people feel like that they're getting a deal. So I'm just putting that price in right now. And then you're going to hit the back button at the top right there. And then we're going to move down to description. Now, the thing about description is we're not going to type it in word by word. We're going to actually provide an image to describe this particular product. So we're going to head to Canva to fetch that pre-created image. That's the beauty about DBA. They give you all of these resources. It's done for you. Okay. And then if you sign up through me, of course, I'm going to set up your store for you. All right, so let me just kind of make this a little bit bigger so you can see the image. This was already created. I'm just going to go in here and change the colors really quick to my customers' brand colors. So give me 1 second while I change that. Okay, so as you can see, we have changed the brand colors to my customers' desired colors, which is teal and black. We're going to hit share to download it to the computer. Hit download. It has to be PNG because it is an image, guys. Hit download. All right. And so as that is loading, we are going to head back over to beacons. And we're going to hit that image icon right there. Okay, you see it right there. That's the image. We're going to hit the image icon, upload an image. And then we're going to go to the latest thing that we downloaded, which is that image right there. We're going to click open. And then it's uploading, of course. Guys, you always want to hit custom on anything that you upload to beacons. Always hit custom right here to the left, that little radio button. Okay. It has to kind of load a little bit here. Custom, and then hit accept. And it's loading. And it should pop right up. Okay. You see it loading right there. All right, we're going to hit the back button, and now we got to go to media. So this is like our title photo for the product. So you're going to hit add image, upload an image, and we already have our product cover photo for the product. So we're just going to head back over to Canva. That's the beauty about DBA, guys. They give you all of the marketing materials. You just need to change. You must change them to your marketing colors, to your branding colors. Okay. You must brand in order to set yourself apart from everybody else that is selling things online. So we're going to hit share to download it to the computer. And we're going to upload an image. We're going to fetch that specific image that we just shared. Hit open. Always hit custom, guys. Accept, and there's the image. Hit back, and then now we want to put in our product files. This is the actual file that the customer will receive, so you hit upload file, and there is our PDF file that the customer receives at the point of making their purchase on your online store. Okay, and make sure it's titled the right thing. I had to make sure Volume 1 and Volume 2 are two different PDFs. So I had to make sure I fetched the one that says Volume 1. So make sure you're double checking to ensure accuracy for your customers. All right. So it is just uploading that file right now. And then we're going to hit the back button. And then everything is green. Everything must be checked in order for that to be finish. And we're going to change the URL to make it short and recognizable to you. Hit save. I would highly recommend you doing that. And then copy it so you can go test it to ensure that it works. Paste it in your browser, and there is the product, guys. Yep, that is the product. And I changed those colors to black and teal because those are her desired colors. You guys see that this took me 5 minutes to do.